It's green, so you know it's evil. Science and all these chemicals in which I know each and every one of them and exactly what they do.
The mad scientist, Dr. Greg? I thought I told you to stop doing evil science experiments inside of my laboratory.
Well, if it isn't Spicer, the superhero can summon any spice at her very whim. Clearly the most seasoned of the super chefs.
You think spice puns are funny?
Yes, I do.
Well, you won't see this, cumin. Spice lasers, activate!
Oh, my eyes. Oh, it burns. Oh, my goggles are right there. Why didn't I put them on? I've ignored all the rules of basic lab safety.
Come on down and be our guest. Coming in with the super chefs. Lily, Dr. Greg, and the rest. Living healthy, living with a picture of zest. Come on. Super chefs! Super chefs! Super chefs! Super chefs!
Hello and welcome to the Super Chef's Cookery for Kids. Today I'm at the Super Chef's Academy with my professor Spicer, who is the most seasoned.
Dr. Greg already said that. So, Lily, what can you tell me about bones and calcium?
Well, I know that calcium strengthens your bones and is also found in food like broccoli, milk, cheese, almonds.
That's right. Calcium is the most abundant mineral in our bodies. Our bones and teeth are made up of calcium, so it's important that we consume calcium-rich foods to keep them strong.
Well, what if our bones don't have enough calcium?
Great question. Let's find out with an experiment. For this experiment, you will need 1 chicken bone, 1 glass, and white vinegar. Although bones are light, they're very strong. Lily, can you try bending this bone for me?
1 second. It won't budge. Why is that?
That's because it's made up of calcium carbonate. Having more of this mineral in your body makes your bones stronger. Now let's see what happens if we have less of this mineral. We're gonna submerge the bone into vinegar for 2 whole days. Then we're gonna change the old vinegar for new vinegar and let it sit for another 2 days.
4 days? You're a superhero. You can speed that time up, right?
That's not one of my superpowers. Sorry, kid.
What if I was your sidekick? Saucy, and I could shoot sauce out of my hands.
Can you shoot sauce out of your hands?
No. Are you sure you can't speed up time?
Nope.
Okay. You got any plans after you get out of here, Spicer? I know I've got plans. I've got a life lined up in front of me. Spicer, I'd appreciate you answering my question. You know, when you don't answer, it's kind of rude. Spicer? Where'd you go?
Oh, no, Spicer, no! It took too long, the chicken bone took too long! Oh, Spicer, you had so much to live for. You had so much burning passion inside of you, I could feel it. The one spice you just couldn't control was time.
Take the bone out of the vinegar and try bending it.
Hey, look, I'm so strong.
No, you're not. The acid in the vinegar dissolved the calcium carbonate in the bone.
Oh, and because bones need calcium to stay strong, it became all soft. So I'm not as strong as I thought I was.
Exactly.
Yay! Learning is so fun. Well, thank you so much for taking this class with Professor Spicer and I at the Super Chef's Academy.
Check out the Super Chef's Cookery for Kids YouTube channel for more.
Oh no!
The evil Dr.
Quick!
Greg is here. You'll
Lily,
never
shoot
defeat
him with
me.
your sauce powers to defeat him.
I'm so
I don't have
evil.
sauce powers.
Oh, right.
Ow.
Sorry.
Hey, that really hurt.
Dr. Greg, have you been eating enough calcium-rich foods to make sure that your bones are strong and healthy?
He hasn't.
Let's take you to the school nurse. And on the way there, Lily and I can explain calcium-rich foods to you.
Goodbye, Super Chefs, and see you next time.